Did you know more than 80% of people learning AI today probably would never actually become AI specialists? And there are reasons. They learn some Python, they build a few models, they maybe try ChatGPT or other LLMs like Claude, APIs, but they never reach the level where they could build real world AI systems, AI solution end to end. So in this video, I am going to show you exactly what Python skills you must learn or you need to become an AI specialist in 2026. You cannot just randomly pick up a Python program and say, I know AI. No, you must think like an AI specialist, not like a developer. So in this video, I am not going to talk about any coding style, syntax, no complexity, just clarity about what you need to learn to become an AI specialist, keeping Python as a bed. Today, AI is full cycle, system development, product preparation, writing a complete solution end to end. And you must think whenever you learn AI through Python, you must know how to create an end-to-end product or a solution or a project. This is where it will help you. And for that, you must learn some frameworks, a backend framework, front-end framework, and you need to know how to connect with different, tools through Python. Everything is automated these days, and you must get into this competition soon as possible. If you don't understand this full pipeline, you are not learning AI in full scale. Most people learning AI today are only scratching the surface, if I tell you. They learn a bit of Python, maybe build a model, or maybe even try ChatGPT APIs. But they never become a real AI specialist. In 2026, AI is no longer about just models. It's about building a full production-ready AI system, end-to-end, right? We talk about front-end, middleware, back-end, everything. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact Python skills you need to become an AI specialist in 2026. And of course, step by step. Before we jump into skills, you need to understand one powerful shift. AI is no longer just, machine learning. Today, AI is full lifecycle systems, because whatever the AI you are going to use for your corporate life, you are going to utilize it completely to develop a complete life cycle, in a sense. Data comes in, models are trained, APIs are predictions, right? Systems are monitored, and everything is automated. That's the end-to-end life cycle of a system. So, according to modern production frameworks, an AI specialist must understand these entire system or the pipeline end to end. This is important. Not just getting into learn Python. What to learn is important, because learning Python is easier these days. Any AI model, any LLM model will train you Python to the core. Yeah, you don't need to write every bit, but you need to know the concept. So instead of thinking, I need to learn Python for ML, start thinking. I need to build intelligent systems that run in the real world. This is the shift. This is what I want to tell you. Because learning Python is easier with the help of AI. AI will train you, but what to learn, where to use, how to use. Knowing the entire system, how to develop is important. Everything starts here. AI, not deep learning, just clean, professional Python. This is what I wanted to send the message to those who wanted to be an AI specialist. You need to master writing clean, readable Python, structuring projects, properly using Git for version control, writing tests, managing environments. You need to organize your project. You need to know how a project is built, how a product is built, how a solution has been built. In real AI systems, right? Your code runs in production. Teams collaborate. Bugs, cost money. So Python is not just a language. It's your engineering foundation. Understanding where to use Python, how to use Python, what concept of Python, what skill of Python you need to learn is important than knowing how to write a Python code. AI is not just about models. AI is about data. Remember, without data, there is nothing. You must understand how to clean messy data. Is it or not? That's what you need, some packages, some modules. How to, transform data into meaningful information. How to visualize data, how to scale data from data, clean up the data, features, tools, right? So tools like NumPy, Pandas, SQL, even big data tools, these are what makes your models, actually work for you. Not just learning Python skills alone will help you to become an AI specialist. You must know which features are available within Python, how to use. Because garbage data is garbage AI. Remember, so clean data to AI is important. You need to understand how models learn, how to evaluate them, how to improve them. This is also important for you to learn, and Python is your backbone. From traditional ML like just decision trees to deep neural networks. This is very important for you to learn, understand, right? These are important aspects of Python. But here is the difference in 2026. It's not about just training a model. It's about making it reliable, making it reproducible, right? Making it deployable, end-to-end system. Always you need to think about end-to-end system design, end-to-end system solution. How do you design? Not just writing a Python script alone. This is where things get, exciting. Your learning will be exciting in these days when you get into that level of Python. Generative AI has completely changed the landscape. You need to understand how LLMs works. What is LLM first? How to interact with them? How to control their outputs with a structured Pydantic model. There is always hackers who will try to penetrate your the prompt itself. How do you foolproof the prompt injection? Prompt engineering is important. Token management is important. Output structuring through Pydantic model so that your output remains very structured no matter whosoever does any manipulation attempts, your output remains structured. That's where the pydantic models comes in picture. Even this is important, identifying learning pydantic, but that's not enough, because real world AI systems don't just check. They retrieve information, right? Use memory, connect to other tools. This is where other concepts will be important for you to learn. This is where you become advanced modern AI systems specialist, right? You use as advanced systems embeddings, vector databases, retrieval augmented generation, RAG. These are important for you to learn. That advanced level of Python. You need not write every code by yourself. Claude Code is there. There are other LLMs models which will help you to learn coding faster. Yes, right? Copilot is there. Check out my other video that I talked about 10 skills every AI specialist must learn. System reduce hallucination. This is important. And then comes the next level of learning. AI agents. These are systems that think, decide, use other tools, automate tasks using various tools, right? So this is how you need to plan yourself Python learning. Not just start from basic data types. This you must know, but these days you need to go little beyond all this. Faster learning. This is the future of AI. Python 5.01 program will be one of the best programs that we'll be releasing soon. If you are interested, please give us a comment below. We will get back to you. Now, here is where most people fail. They build models, but they don't know how to deploy them in real world or real AI systems. You must learn that also. You must know how to build APIs. So important. If you don't know what is Fast API, what is Django, what is Flask in Python, how do you develop an API, how to serve models, how to scale systems, and beyond that, monitoring, logging, security, automation, right? And this is what makes you production ready AI specialist. So Python these days is no longer something that you start from basic. You need to learn advanced Python. You must know how to develop a system end to end. So let's start with the foundation. Not AI, not deep learning, just Python. Python is your foundation. So you must learn Python, but in a different way. Not just pick up a basic Python course and you become an AI specialist. No, Python skills AI specific. Professional Python, professional modules which are needed for you to develop and write and create an end-to-end project or product or a AI solution, right? Clean, readable code, proper project structure, version control with Git, testing, environment management, project management, product management, solution knowing, understanding the cloud, where to use which service. These are very important along with your Python learning. That is called full-scale Python learning for AI specialists. Deployment and MLOps. This is important. Advanced systems and agents. So, step by step, layer by layer, you evolve from developer, AI builder, AI specialist. This is my intention for you. From a developer, you start to think like an AI builder, then you become AI specialist. So if you are serious about becoming an AI specialist in 2026, stop jumping. between random tutorials. Okay, start thinking in systems, because designing a system, designing an end-to-end solution is important. Start building end-to-end intelligence, system, solution, and most importantly, start following a structured roadmap, because if you have a proper structured roadmap, you'd be able to learn things better. That's what we repeatedly say. Our Python 501 program would be a game changer, because soon we will be releasing a complete step-by-step course that takes you from beginner to production level AI engineer. So if you are interested, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. We will be sharing information soon. Watch out, check out our other videos about technology and how we talk through AI. Our intention is to bring it to you every possible AI talks in the technology. Remember, at the end, your product or services or solutions is being used by users. This is important. So Python is not just a skill, it's your engineering backbone, because Python